Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. Today we learn about tile diffusion, upscaling method using ControlNet. This is the second part of upscaling method. If you don't watch the first part of the upscaling, you can watch by clicking the I button or in the description you find out the video. Let's start how to upscale with the help of tile diffusion. First, we know about the tile diffusion ComfyUI node. So there is a node is made by on the tile diffusion. There are two methods, mixer of diffusion and multi-diffusion. I put the link in the description. You can read out both the methods. In the previous video, we discussed about how the image is created using the pixels and how upscaling process is done in the four different types. Now, I put the link in the description for both the methods, the mixer of diffusers and the multi-diffusion. The second thing is this is the ComfyUI node we need to use. You can find out in the manager. Go to the manager, just search for the ComfyUI node, just write for the tile. So you find out this is tile diffusion and VAE for ComfyUI. Just close it. This is the default workflow we use. Let's go for the image to image. So I already told you this is a ControlNet method. In this one we use ControlNet. So from ControlNet we need to find out this is the model we use. ControlNet Tile SDXL. I put the link in the description. And where you download it, go to the ComfyUI, go to the models. Now go to ControlNet and make one folder for Zinsser. For example, for this particular thing. Or directly you can install also. Or write a command and install it. Just like this is. We get Hugging Face. I will put all the details in the description and the doc file. You can directly get the link from it if you want to install it on the cloud or Linux servers. Okay, you can rename it by double clicking. Just like I use this thing, ControlNet Tile Diffusion SDXL. So here is the name is the diffusion PyTorch model.swift. Okay. So this is the thing. Now go to the ComfyUI. We will see how it works. So first we need to load the image. Let's load image. Okay. So I already download one. So we can use this image. We use this method. And let's blank it out, this one. And if for image to image, we use VAE encode and VAE decode, but here is their own VAE, a tiled VAE. So we need to search for tiled VAE. If you go here, so there is two things, VAE encode, VAE decode. So we need VAE encode. Let's remove this one also. And we need tile decode also. Okay. So we have case sampler. We need to connect to case samplers. We have VAE, so we need to connect to VAE. Now, okay, before going to upscale, we need to increase the size also. Right now, this is 1024 by 1024. Now, we need to upscale the size by using a general method, which we use. Okay. For example, right now we use this thing and we pass it here. This is 1024 into 1024. You can use by 1024 or maybe 4096. Okay. This is 4x time. 4096. Or maybe use different upscaling method, which we already discussed in that. The upscaling method is this scaling by image by this one. You can directly give by this one. So for example, you need to make 4x of it. So write 4 and delete this one and use len codes. We already discussed while we use len code. This is the latest technology for upscaling. And then we pass it to latent image. Okay. But here we need one more thing. We need tile diffusion for testing. So we pass it down, I already tell you the tile diffusion is the SDXL model ControlNet process. So we need to use apply ControlNet. Okay. We use condition out here. We give positive. We need ControlNet, load ControlNet model. We can use insert. Wait, let me refresh this one. Okay, this is it. We need control. And we need to pass the image. And we give positive to positive. Now we preview the image. Okay. Let's see how it goes. It's loading the image. It's on the tiled VA encode. Okay. It gives us the error. Maybe because we are using 1.5 method. So let's shift to SDXL base and all. For SDXL method. Let's run it again. So this is the output we got from the tile diffusion. We got 4x of this one. There is no pixel missing a lot. In the upscaling method, there are a lot of pixels missing. But this is filled that one also. So this will help you to upscale your image at higher levels with less pixels effect. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. We are making amazing content on ComfyUI and how to use it in your daily workflows. Thank you everyone.